Here's how to fix the Vanguard Not Initialized error in Valorant quickly. Step 1. Check Riot Vanguard service status. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and locate VGC. Double-click VGC to open its properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start, then click Apply and OK. Riot Vanguard must be running correctly for Valorant to launch. Step 2. Restart your PC. Close all windows and restart your computer normally. This allows Riot Vanguard to initialize properly during system startup. Step 3. Launch Riot Client as administrator. After reboot, right-click Riot Client and select Run as Administrator. Sign in if required, then launch Valorant. Running Riot Client with administrator permissions helps Vanguard load correctly. After enabling Vanguard and restarting your PC, the Vanguard Not Initialized error should be resolved. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.